Hello, Windows Universe. Want to give your Wi-Fi network adapter a different name? Then this is the video for you. In this video, we'll show you how to do that. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article in the description. First, launch Windows Settings. Then click on the Network and Internet tab. Scroll to Advanced Network Settings. Under the Network Adapters tab, click on the Wi-Fi category. Scroll down to Rename this adapter and click on the Rename button. Then, give it a new name. Click on Save. And you're all done. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.